Welcome back to the crowdfundingexposure.com channel. Today we will discuss what's the best way to advertise your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell so you will get all our free tips and hacks. What's the best way to advertise your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page? When it comes to fundraising, GoFundMe is a platform that has gained immense popularity in recent years. However, just creating a GoFundMe or Kickstarter page is not enough to achieve your fundraising goals. To achieve your fundraising goals, you must advertise your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page to reach as many people as possible. In this video, we will guide you through the best ways to advertise your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page to maximize your fundraising efforts. Utilize social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are excellent platforms to advertise your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page. Ensure that you share your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page on your social media profiles and engage with your followers. You can also join groups related to your cause and share your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page there. Additionally, you can consider running paid ads on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Leverage the power of email marketing. Email marketing is an excellent way to reach out to people who may be interested in your cause. Start by creating a mailing list of people who might be interested in supporting your cause. Next, craft an engaging email that highlights the importance of your cause and why they should support it. Finally, include a link to your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page and make it easy for people to donate. Reach out to local media outlets. Another effective way to advertise your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page is to reach out to local media outlets like newspapers, radio stations, and TV stations. Pitch your story to them and explain why it's important to the local community. If they pick up your story, it can provide excellent exposure for your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page. Utilize influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influential people in your niche to promote your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page. Look for influencers who are passionate about your cause and have a large following on social media. Reach out to them and explain your cause, and see if they would be willing to promote your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page to their followers. Collaborate with other fundraising pages. Collaborating with other fundraising pages can be an effective way to reach new donors. Look for fundraising pages that have a similar cause or audience and reach out to them. You can collaborate on joint social media campaigns, email marketing campaigns, or even host joint fundraising events. Utilize SEO to rank your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page. SEO, or search engine optimization, involves optimizing your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page to rank higher in search engine results. This can help you reach a wider audience and attract more donors. Some SEO techniques you can use include optimizing your page title, including relevant keywords in your page description, and building high-quality backlinks to your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page. In conclusion, advertising your GoFundMe or Kickstarter page is crucial to achieving your fundraising goals. By utilizing social media, email marketing, local media outlets, influencer marketing, collaborating with other fundraising pages, and SEO, you can maximize your exposure and reach a wider audience. With these tips, you can increase the likelihood of achieving your fundraising goals and making a difference in the world. Q. Can you promote your GoFundMe or Kickstarter? Yes, you can promote your GoFundMe or Kickstarter campaign. Sharing your campaign with your personal and professional network is a great way to attract potential donors. You can also leverage social media platforms, email marketing, and local media outlets to spread the word about your campaign. Q. How do I promote my GoFundMe or Kickstarter without social media? If you prefer not to use social media to promote your campaign, you can try reaching out to local media outlets, leveraging email marketing, or sharing your campaign with friends and family through word of mouth. You can also consider offering rewards or incentives to donors to encourage them to share your campaign with their own networks. Q. How do I promote my fundraising page? To promote your fundraising page, you can leverage various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, local media outlets, and word of mouth. It's important to create a compelling and well-written campaign with engaging photos and videos to attract potential donors. Q. Why am I not getting any donations on GoFundMe or Kickstarter? There can be many reasons why your GoFundMe or Kickstarter campaign is not getting any donations. Some potential reasons may include a poorly written campaign description, lack of compelling visuals, not sharing your campaign with your personal and professional network, or not promoting your campaign through various marketing channels. It's important to assess your campaign and make any necessary changes to increase donations. Q. What percentage of GoFundMe or Kickstarter are successful? According to GoFundMe, the average success rate for campaigns is around 30%. However, success rates vary depending on various factors such as the campaign's cause, the amount of funds needed, and the marketing efforts put into promoting the campaign. Q. How can I promote my GoFundMe or Kickstarter without Facebook? A. You can promote your GoFundMe or Kickstarter campaign without Facebook by leveraging other social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. You can also consider using email marketing, local media outlets, or word of mouth to spread the word about your campaign. Q. Can you advertise a GoFundMe or Kickstarter on Facebook? A. Yes, you can advertise a GoFundMe or Kickstarter campaign on Facebook by creating an ad through the Facebook Ads Manager. However, it's important to ensure that your campaign adheres to Facebook's advertising policies and guidelines. Q. Does 100% of GoFundMe go to the recipient? No, GoFundMe charges a platform fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per donation. Additionally, there may be additional payment processing fees depending on the payment method used. Q. Can I use GoFundMe to raise money for myself? A. Yes, you can use GoFundMe to raise money for yourself. Many people use the platform to cover medical expenses, personal emergencies, or other personal needs. Q. Can you thank all donors on GoFundMe? A. Yes, you can thank all donors on GoFundMe by sending them a personalized message through the platform. It's important to express your gratitude and let them know how their donation has made a difference. Are you struggling to gain traction with your crowdfunding campaign? Let the experts at crowdfundingexposure.com help you reach your fundraising goals. Our team of experienced professionals can write a powerful press release, drive targeted traffic to your campaign, and craft a compelling pitch to attract donors. We can even produce an engaging explainer video to tell your story and inspire potential donors to contribute to your cause. With our crowdfunding exposure package, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed. Contact us today and let us help you take your campaign to the next level.